Are you tired of the hassle of boiling eggs and ending up with inconsistent results? Meet the Dash Electric Rapid Egg Cooker. This versatile gadget is designed with you in mind, making mornings easier and breakfast more delicious. This egg cooker lets you make hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, scrambled eggs, and even individual omelets, all in just minutes. With a built-in precision thermal sensor, your eggs will be perfectly cooked every time. The Dash Egg Cooker has a space-saving design that fits neatly on your countertop. It's ideal for any kitchen, no matter the size. Plus, cleanup is simple. Its non-electric parts are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. As you use it, you'll discover its multifunctional features. The included trays allow for poaching eggs and making small omelets. Imagine enjoying breakfast without the usual mess and frustration. One of the standout features of this cooker is its efficiency. You can have perfectly cooked eggs at the touch of a button. No more hovering over the stove and worrying about overcooking. Just set it and forget it. Looking for a quick breakfast option? Dash makes cooking eggs easy. Removable trays and accessories mean you can enjoy your meal without worrying about cleanup. What are others saying? Customer reviews highlight the convenience and reliability of the Dash Egg Cooker. Users love how easy it is to use and appreciate the consistent, perfect results. Ready to simplify your breakfast routine? Click the product link in the description below and join the thousands who have made breakfast a breeze. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Order today for fast delivery across the US and join the egg cooking revolution.